in this world at this time, all I need to do is just dance with these bitches, and I'll be like the best motherfucking lover they ever have in their whole life, you know? I'm like ignorant. I'll eat off every dance floor possible. I'm the best dagger master ever. Strictly, when you come on to daggering, we're not partial, no size. Fat, maga, skinny, black, brown, Indian, coolie, nigga, we no business. It's gonna get nasty. It's gonna get sweaty and all hot, dividing their legs, waiting for me to enter that, like a jackhammer. As the girls see me approaching them, they're like, no, Stitch, don't do it, no. Go on the ladder, and like, I'm coming in, bitch. Slam it on her like, boom, you know, just like that, daggering.
I've never seen the inside of a barroom or listened to a jukebox all night long. But I see these are the things that bring you pleasure. So I'm gonna make some changes in our home. I've heard it said, if you can't beat 'em, join 'em. So if that's the way you've wanted me to be, I'll change if it takes that to make you happy. From now on you're gonna see a different me, because you're good.